How to fix Steam Error Code E87. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix the Steam Error Code E87. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix the error code of E87 on Steam, you just need to open up your laptop. After that, on your home screen, you'll be able to see the Steam shortcut. So here, I just want you to right click on it and go to properties. You can see that option. You just need to go at the last and click on properties. After that, it will open this. So I just want you to copy this prompt from Target. You may just right click on it and copy it, or you may just Control+C. After copying, I just want you to cross it out, and here in the search bar, type in run or Control+R, and a box will appear here. So I just want you to here paste the prompt that we copied earlier. I just want you to ctrl+b and paste it. After that, you may simply tap on OK. But before that, let me just move it to the screen here. But before that, also, I just want you to write something, space and slash and repair. After that, tap on OK and it should fix your issue. If that doesn't, you may just reinstall the application onto your laptop. You may just uninstall it and reinstall it on your device and try logging in into your account. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your issue of Steam error code on Steam. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.